Okay, here we go. May the 27th, I think, isn't it? 2026. We're ready to hit the road. Okay, we got these two drones, Phantom 4 Pro, Phantom 4 Pro Plus, with the screen in it. Two complete sets of drones. We've got these four SS hubcaps. Came off of 1964 SS Chevelle. Back in 1968, they have not been run since 1968. They're in good shape, but they're not in great shape. We've got all of this stuff listed in Marketplace. We haven't had any response on them much yet, so we're thinking about hitting the road. After you get something, you know, if you hadn't had a whole lot of response the first day, it's probably you're probably gonna be in for the long haul. But we're asking $1,000 for the two drones, asking $450 for those SS hubcaps. I would sell this 2019 Express van. I would ask $1,750. I don't have it listed. $17,500 for it. It's got 180,000 miles on it. Let's walk up the hill. We've listed the 95 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we bought new April of 1995. We've listed this 98 Express van that we have done a lot of work on. Got a lot of new parts. We put this passenger side fender on it. We bought it for parts, but it's too nice of a van to part out. Put those new center caps on it. New alternator, new radiator. Temperature control switch, a module. Plugs. Rotary button, screw cap, wires. And we're asking $72 for it. Passenger van. We've got all the seats. Some of the seats need to be cleaned up, but we would sell it. That buzzer's gonna go off. We're asking $45 for this 95 Grand Cherokee that we bought new, 5.2. $400,000 miles. We're gonna crank it up. We're gonna crank both of them. Let you see them. I'm gonna get that door on the Jeep, on the 97 Jeep. Original spare tire. Been on the ground about 500 miles. It also comes with these two front pillow top seats that came out of a 93 Grand Wagoneer. And I pulled those out probably 2004, 2005, somewhere in there. So they've been pulled out. They had 135,000 miles on them. So they've been pulled out for 20 years. So okay, let's crank this van and we'll crank the Jeep and let you hear them run. I guess I need to let you hear it crank, don't I? Let me start all over on that. Come on, come on, come on. What are you doing? Got a little exhaust leak. Still gets good gas mileage. When I changed the oil at 9,300 miles, I put synthetic in it. This had synthetic, mostly, almost always, Mobil 1 synthetic from the very beginning. Or from 9,300 miles. Check out that oil pressure. 400,000 miles. Radio doesn't work. It needs some work, but it's still a very nice vehicle. No cloud of smoke. 400,000 miles. Okay. It's on its third transmission. These Chrysler transmissions are garbage. It has a external oil cooler on the front. It's got the tow package. It has an external oil cooler, transmission cooler on the front, but it's not a big one. It needs to be a larger one. Okay, we're going to crank the van. Let you hear it. But we're going to get in and shut the door so that buzzer won't buzz on us. This one needs a compressor and a dryer. Well, it buzzed on us anyway, didn't it? 185,995 miles. Check out this oil pressure. There we go. .7 4L80E transmission. Also, I've got the other seats for it. I like this van. All these windows open up. This is a 3,500 passenger van in 1998. Has the auxiliary heat and air. The auxiliary heat works real good. I have no reason to believe the air wouldn't work very good as well with a compressor and a dryer and a Freon charge. The shop's probably going to charge you about $1,500. I can do it, but I don't want to do it. I want to sell it. I'm asking $7,200. I don't want to do the air conditioning. If I keep it, I will, of course. But you know, these are those seats, extra seats that go to that Grand Cherokee. It needs some stuff, but you know, it's mostly cosmetic. This is a nice truck. It rides and drives great. It's a 3,500. And being a passenger van, it rides. They've got, definitely they've done something with these springs. The technology, because it rides a lot better than that 2,500 or the 2019 3,500. You know, like I said, I would sell that 2019 3,500, and I would sell this 2000 that I bought new. It's got the new the Jasper engine and transmission in it. I need to keep two vans. One is a primary, one is a backup. But I do need to sell one. But I'll sell any one of them. And I'm not scared to get on the road and take off across country in any one of them. So if I were to sell this one, I'd want about $9,500, $10,000 for it. That's got a lot of new parts on it too. Radiator. Oil cooling lines, heater core, alternator. It's got all kind of stuff on it too. That little Jeep, I'm planning on keeping it, but you know, I would sell it for the right price. Take about 5,000, maybe 55. I don't know, but anyway, let's get this one uploaded, and y'all like, share, subscribe. We're going to try to get on the road. Like I said, we're not having a lot of stuff, anybody beating our phone or our email down to buy anything, so we're probably priced too high. But if anybody wants something, they're going to have to buy it. I'm not giving it away. I will negotiate, but you got to buy it. Frank's field is looking good up there, isn't it? I don't know what he's going to do with that plane. I think he's going to take it to the junk and get some scrap aluminum, get the price out of it. And that Jaguar over there too, I think. I'm not sure. Okay, well, let's wrap this one up, get it uploaded. And if you want to buy something, get in touch.